how to create Talkatone account online. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Talkatone account online and start making calls and sending texts for free. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the Talkatone website at talktone.com. Alternatively, you can download a Talkatone app from the App Store or Google Play Store. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button to begin the account creation process. You'll be prompted to enter your name, email address, and password, so make sure to choose a strong password for security. Talkatone will send a verification email to the address you provided, so open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, Talkatone will ask you to choose a phone number, so you can either pick a free number from available options or use your existing number for account setup. You can link your Google or Facebook account through faster login or continue with just your email credentials. And this is optional. Now, review and accept Talkatone's terms of service and privacy policy after reading them carefully. Make sure you understand their usage rules before proceeding. And once everything is filled out and verified, click Sign Up or Create Account to finalize your registration. And you're all set. Now you can make calls, send text messages, and enjoy other Talkatone features. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.